Hey YouTube, Chad here from Dirt Poor TV. Today we're going to revisit the Polaris XP1000 ice crusher heater. We had some issues with the defrost vents on this vehicle because the way the windshield closes, it didn't allow me to install the ones that UTV heaters had. Yeah, I could have cut them in there somewhere, just wouldn't have looked factory, so we decided not to do that, and we'd wait until we've got the right vents for this system. I ended up picking up some vents here that are rectangle. These will fit right in the factory Polaris locations, so I'm going to cut out the dash and then we'll insert these, so we'll have defrost vents on our 2018 Polaris Ranger XP1000. If you like this content, please consider subscribing. Leave your comments below. The new defrost vents are going to go right here in place where the factory Polaris ones are installed. So we're going to have to take out these 3 Torx bits and some push pins, remove this center console so we can get access to all of our ducting that we have down below. And when we do cut this out, we make sure we don't get into any of our wires and our ducting under the dash. Well, I thought it'd be just as easy as pulling out the center console. I knew I left this Y here. That's going to go to my defrost vents. With everything in there, I just couldn't get to it, so I had to pull the dash out, and that's not bad. These connections pop right off the vents. Unplug your dash panel. All of this is push pins, except 3 bolts right here, and that is for the windshield. So back here what we have is the dash and the vent. So it is actually going to go in this position right here. And on the back side, it's basically marked out for where you cut it. So cut those out. Alright, here's the back side of the dash. And you want to cut out the square, and it's already marked. I'm using the oscillating tool here. There's many kinds, many brands, many names, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to use it to cut through here. It's that easy. Now just clean the burrs up. So here's what it looks like with the hose on there, and we're going to connect this in to the Y inside the dash. Just make sure you do the other side. Here are the defrost vents. I hooked them up through the Y that we left from the first installation, and we've wired them off and ran them up to the vents, the diffusers. So now all we have to do is pull the dash back over, hook up our original vents, which are really easy. They just snap in from the back. Here is the end result on our defrost vents that we installed. Turn it on. Puts out really good airflow. Thanks for watching this video on Dirt Poor TV of the installation of the defrost vents. Get a hold of ice crusher heaters for all your heater needs.